Welcome back to Old Coin Vault. Today we are exploring a fascinating coin that many people ignore but collectors are starting to notice. The 2 Grosz 2011 coin from Poland. Could this small copper coin really be worth hundreds of millions of dollars? Or is there more to the story? Stay with me because the truth may surprise you. Let us begin with the basics. The 2 Grosz coin is part of the modern currency system of Poland. The word grosz is the plural of grosz. 100 grosz make 1 zloty, which is the main currency unit of Poland. This coin was issued by the National Bank of Poland and is still considered legal tender. Now let us talk about the design. On the front side of the coin you will find the national emblem of Poland, a crowned eagle which represents strength, pride, and independence. This symbol has deep historical meaning and reflects the identity of the Polish nation. On the reverse side you will see the number 2, which represents its value, along with the word grosz and the year 2011. The design is simple but meaningful. It shows how even small coins carry national importance. The coin is made from a copper-plated steel composition. It has a reddish-brown color and a smooth edge. Its weight is light and its size is small, which makes it easy to overlook. But sometimes the smallest coins can carry the biggest surprises. Now let us address the most exciting part, the claimed value of this coin. You may have seen titles or posts claiming that the 2 Grosz 2011 coin is worth $530 million. That sounds unbelievable, and honestly it is. There is no verified record of this coin being sold for such a high price. No major auction house, no certified collector market, no official source confirms this value, so where does this number come from? In most cases, such claims are created for attention. Viral content spreads quickly, especially when it involves money. But as a serious collector or viewer, you should always verify information before believing it. So what is the real value of the 2 Grosz 2011 coin? In circulated condition, which means coins that have been used in daily transactions, the value is extremely low, usually just a few cents or even less. These coins are still common and widely available. However, there are rare situations where the value can increase. Let us explore those. First, condition matters a lot. If the coin is in mint state condition, that means it has no scratches, no wear, and looks almost new, collectors may pay a higher price. Second, mint errors. If the coin has a mistake during production, such as double striking off-center design or missing details, these errors are rare and can increase value significantly. Third, special collector sets. Some coins are released in official sets with higher quality finish. These may carry a premium in the market. Even in these rare cases, the value does not reach millions. It may go from a few dollars to maybe tens, or in very rare cases, a few $100s depending on demand. So why should you still care about this coin? Because coin collecting is not just about money, it is about history, art, and discovery. Every coin tells a story. The 2 Grosz coin represents modern Poland, its economy, and its national identity. Also, the thrill of finding a rare coin is real. Many collectors started with simple coins like this. Over time, their knowledge grew and they discovered valuable pieces. Here is a tip for you: always check your coins carefully. Look at the year, look at the design, and look for anything unusual. You never know what you might find. Another important tip: do not clean your coins. Cleaning can damage the surface and reduce value. Always keep coins in a safe, dry place. If you are serious about collecting, consider using magnifying tools and proper storage holders. This will help you preserve your coins and identify details clearly. Let us summarize. The 2 Grosz 2011 coin from Poland is a common coin with low market value. The claim of $530 million is not verified and should not be trusted. However, rare conditions or mint errors can increase its worth slightly. But the real value of this coin lies in its story and the passion of collecting. Today we are diving deep into a small coin with a big mystery. The 2 Grosz 2011 coin from Poland, a coin that many people ignore every single day. Yet online there are claims that this coin could be worth $530 million. Is that true, or is it just another internet myth? Stay with me because we are going to break down everything you need to know in full detail. Let us start with the background. The currency of Poland is called the zloty. 1 zloty is divided into 100 grosz. That means the 2 Grosz coin is a very small denomination. It is used for everyday transactions and is still part of the modern Polish monetary system. Millions of these coins have been produced over the years, which already gives us an important clue about its rarity. Now let us explore the design of this coin. On the front side, also known as the obverse, you will see the national emblem of Poland. A powerful crowned eagle standing tall. This eagle is not just a design. It is a symbol of pride, strength, and independence. It has been part of Polish history for centuries and represents the identity of the nation. On the reverse side, you will find the number 2, which shows the denomination. Below it is the word Grosz and the year 2011. The design is simple, clean, and functional. It reflects the purpose of the coin as a tool for everyday use rather than a luxury collector item. The coin is made of copper-plated steel. It has a reddish tone and a smooth edge. It is lightweight and small in size. Because of this, many people do not pay attention to it. It often gets lost in drawers, pockets, or even thrown away without a second thought. Now let us move to the most talked about topic. The claim that this coin is worth $530 million. This number has been circulating online and has caught the attention of many viewers and collectors, but let us be very clear. There is no official record, no auction result, and no trusted collector database that confirms this value. No major auction house has ever sold this coin for anything close to that amount. No expert in numismatics has verified such a claim. In reality, this type of information is often created to attract attention and generate views. It spreads quickly because it sounds exciting and people want to believe that they might have a hidden treasure. So what is the real value of the 2 Grosze 2011 coin? In normal circulated condition, the value is extremely low. Usually it is worth only a few cents or even less. These coins are still common and widely available, which keeps their market price very low. However, there are some situations where the value can increase. Let us explore these in detail. First, condition. Condition is one of the most important factors in coin collecting. A coin that looks brand new with no scratches, no wear, and full original shine is called mint state. Collectors are always willing to pay more for coins in better condition. Second, mint errors. Sometimes during the minting process, mistakes happen. These can include double strikes, off-center designs, missing details, or unusual shapes. Such errors are rare and collectors find them very interesting. A coin with a clear and unique error can be worth much more than a normal coin. Third, collector sets. Some coins are released in special sets with higher quality finishes. These are often kept in protective packaging and are not used in circulation. Coins from these sets can have a higher value compared to regular coins. Even with these factors, the value does not reach millions. In most cases, the price may rise to a few dollars. In rare cases, it might go higher depending on demand and uniqueness. But the idea of $530 million is not supported by any real evidence. So why do people still care about coins like this? Because coin collecting is not only about money, it is about history, culture, and discovery. Each coin tells a story. The 2 Grosze coin represents modern Poland, its economy, and its national symbols. For many collectors, the journey is more important than the value. Searching for coins, learning about their history, and building a collection brings satisfaction and excitement. If you are new to coin collecting, here are some useful tips. Always check your coins carefully. Look at the year, the design, and any unusual features. Small details can make a big difference. Avoid cleaning your coins. Cleaning can damage the surface and reduce value. It is always better to keep coins in their original condition. Store your coins in a safe, dry place. Use proper holders or albums to protect them from damage. This will help maintain their quality over time. Consider using a magnifying glass to examine your coins. This will help you spot small details and possible errors that are not visible to the naked eye. Also, take time to learn. Read about coins from different countries and time periods. The more knowledge you have, the better you will become at identifying valuable pieces. Let us also talk about the emotional side of collecting. Many people start collecting coins because of curiosity. Over time, it becomes a passion. Each coin becomes a memory, a connection to a place or a moment in history. The 2 Grosze 2011 coin may not make you a millionaire, but it can still be a meaningful part of a collection. It reminds us that even the smallest objects can have stories behind them. Before we end, let us summarize everything. The 2 Grosz 2011 coin from Poland is a common coin with very low market value. The claim of $530 million is not verified and should not be trusted. However, coins in excellent condition or with rare mint errors can have higher value. The real worth of this coin lies in its history and the joy of collecting. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Old Coin Vault. Like this video and share it with others who are interested in rare coins and hidden treasures. Now it is your turn. Do you have this coin? Have you ever found a rare coin in your collection? Share your experience in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.